namukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel yena mntu of course ta ikhi lola Ben Mayengani the president leyi nga ta ikhi linka vele vele na Dr. Joyce Remani man aka Xikatawa and then from there of course ta tlhela lola Gagash loyi nga ta ikhi n'wi linka na ta J John then of course ta tlhela n'wi linka the twins and stuff like that yo tani swi vele vele mi nga ku swi vonini Ben Mayengani se swi tikomba a kwatile swinene na hi ku landela update ya tolo mi nga mi swona laha of course Ben Mayengani kombisini ku i jikeriwe na hi lava a tirha na vona kwalaha ku mhaka leyi i ta kha a hetisa kahle okay however guys mhaka loko se ni langutisa laha ya intensify manjheni yi le ku intensifyeni xichangana xo hikuva mi rhanga phanda yi tlhela yi vekela yin'wana video clip ya misa n'wana on TikTok na yi nga fika yi tsala ku i mavonele right yi vekela this video clip and then hlangana yo ka TikTok ni nga hleketela ku mi rhanga phanda ni ta yi nga tlhela yi fika yi share so yi fike yi share a hi twini ku hi mi rhanga phanda yi ri yini so this idea mi fike mi swi twisa ku swilo leswi vuriwaka video clip leyi mi rhanga phanda ya support indirectly so that's what you need to understand yi le ku support and hence swi posta la let's go. Yeah, I'm done. Komelanya sound and I have a better lighting and because kuna music at the background and the shop bora this should go from Avlola catch some music so it's a problem.
Watsonga narshakara machangana. Mativa that's just something I guess. Tane shakara watsonga we not fair. I fair akashimbele risumanya.
Okay.
If we leave this, some of us, without addressing it, we are then going to have a problem. So today, Dr. Joyce Remani must know that we know his intentions. We are aware that on that podcast or whatever you call it, guys, Zumba, which is a genre which is being played or is being produced by Benny, Prince, Mr. Pose, and anyone else, which was actually introduced by them, including one of Dr. Joyce Remani. So Dr. Joyce Remani is no longer relevant. He's no longer relevant in the genre because the only backup they had, the team or that group which was producing from 2011 upward, the only strong character he had, the only strong artist he had was Ben Mayengani. You can prove me wrong if or something.
Even Mr. Post was a very strong artist too. After Ben Mayengani sukina na don't Mr. Post the interviews the producer not one that artist like the likes of Vasira Vakashirman whatever Mr. Post so you can't deny during that period the combination power Africa dimension in this video clip yes Ben Mayengani very strong. Yes, I agree, but also Mr. Boss, we cannot shy away from that. Not power like including like not team or team Sherman. Yeah, and I not power of course I in the Ruko Kakulusaniwa and Amranga Pand. Let's go.
But then the only power he had was Ben Mayengani, nothing else. Hence, Lobambana Ben Mayengani, Dr. Joyce Remani and the system tried to stop the guy, tried to make sure that the guy disappears.
Okay.
Ben Mayengani eka rixaka ra Matsonga swi tsandza and then swi ya mahlweni the guy finds his way through. That is the first artist though. You must remember guys, in 2014 it was a very painful situation where you find yourself wanting to hear Risimra Ben Maingane aga MLFM. It was like an achievement if he's being played there aga radio Tonga.
Okay.
But it was the time when he was banned. Just imagine if we as a fan, out to endlela liyan, but then yenwinya titwisa kuyini. Kambe kuranza ka xikombo ku kona, this guy survived all those assassins musically. He continues and becomes the best without them, without the system, with the support of the people. Meiza Loya ahumelela ativeka atanga ti hit, still he reaches out to people. Nothing. Okay, it's fine. They reconciled with both Dr. Josh Rimani. When they reconciled and whatever that happened, they agreed with their own terms, which we don't know and were not forming part and parcel of that. Then boom, Dr. Josh Rimani goes into a podcast, he's being interviewed, and then this guy, he indirectly speaks ill of Benny Maingane. He speaks ill of Benny, trying to actually make sure that whatever that Benny is doing is not recognized. Because mind you guys, just show me one artist which is well off that was produced by Josh Rimani. If this Josh Rimani is no longer the way you people think he is.
Okay, nga nangutangi okay na switoko leyi ta va controversial. Okay, nga nangutangi mhaka yo ku roba timali. Ku na vanhu vo fana vo Penny. I mean, like we can all tell we're successful. And the DV successful kusukela khale ya swi kha swi tiveka yani kanete ku holowa hi timhaka ta timali. That's why ni zama ku va ni brusha kahle ku mi nga tlhela mi vuyela mi ka ti-comments mara ho vula ku yana vo Penny ya nga vula ku hi yin'wana ta artist leyi nga vula ku yi ve successful loyi kha yi tirhisana na Dr. Josh Rimani and overall mara controversy ya timali hi nge kaneti khale yi ri kona khale swinene mhaka timali va ze va holova na hosi ngomez the post mhaka ti-awards we know mhaka ya timali I agree but yeah i ve successful during that period va tirhisana swin'we so yeah ni nga kota ku va ni hlaya in that manner yeah ni nga yi vula xitano so yi kona yin'wana artist yi kona yin'wana. Let's go.
Who has a house or who is equal to Benny Maingane with success? I got artist letting a producer Meiza Loya. Daniele mtaishamula mwe. This guy on his own, Benny Maingane on his own, have achieved so much. Nakumaka into like it's not every artist which have had that. But on his own alone, without the influence, yeah, Josh Rimani.
Okay.
So Josh Rimani guys have nothing to offer us. Hence, a speaker bad of the Zumba genre. That's why Abalabla so bad in Zumba, because he's no longer relevant. He can't do better than Zumba without Benny Maingane, without the creativity of Ben. Therefore, because their project to bring him back and make sure that they come back to relevance failed. They now come and say Nzumba ufini, Nzumba ulekufini, it's dying. There's nothing dying, you dying. Electro, this music which he refers to, that electro is taking off, it have been there. When Botredi Pitama Golongondo, Tula, Botredi came back, Waka Waka, he came back in Money Maker. The songs which made rounds. With
point in terms of electro are consistent. Like it's a matter of chicken, all of you now that's one is that it's a maker should gava, and then Russian arm shusha. No, come now, Angala, such against such a shop, this system to car. Tell us that and get the woman got away. But the wool Mashwana was shambling line alien, so look at check like electoral. But in Zumba, okay, check like who was strong very overall. Unfortunately, so the artist at that letting us strong and Zumba. Look at this at a ta ha hlangi sweswi ku nghene music wa ma-2K lowu hi swi tivaka ku yes a hi genre leyi va ku yi ri stable swo boha ku tlhe ku nghena kahle in overall what I'm trying to say ku laveka genre leyi nga ta replace i ndzumba in overall because ndzumba a swi wu koti wu fika wu kota ku replace i music lowu wa ti-git so ka ha laveka music lowu wu nga ta tiya straight hi swi vona ku lowu kota ku lasta 10 years to come yi ka ha ri genre yin'we yi nga ta kota ku va yi kha yi replace ndzumba a swi vona swi tama swi n'wi cincacinca sweswi as we can see ku nghena sound ya ma-2K xigaza xa ma-2K like swi le ku cincaciceni hi sayiti rala ndzumba hi wona lo a wu kota ku lasta so many years the same way tigita ti nga lasta the same way disco ya ri kwala xigazini na yo yi nga lasta and stuff like that
vo sakamela wet vo tsokombela wet vo DJ man va hala veti mane se na famba ni ya vukatini what we had so many songs which were good back then but ka electro you go in you go out you go in you go out.
I feel so.
There's no artist which you're going to call a legend aka electro. We have sustained such music for 5 years going upwards or 3 years. We don't have such an artist. But I got this genre have got 15 years and then you want to come here and say this kind of a genre is dying. That is the same thing as these people who once used to say, okay, genre which was played by Dr. Thomas Chauke is dying. It is not dying. It never died. Your opponents died.
Hey.
So, but nonetheless, let's have a good Christmas. You can say anything.
Your opponents died.
The agenda to destroy Ben Mangan has failed so many times. And Dr. Josh Sherman was at the center of that agenda, which dismally failed. He tried to bring copies to replace Ben Mangan and it failed. He went back and wanted to do it from within. It now failed more. But then, who are we to judge? Because if the system and all organizations and all opponents which are against Ben Mangan were united to actually let this talent shine, we should have been far than Shaka Ramatsong. Amen.
So hi leswo guys murangaphandle ti komba yi kha yi n'wi sapota misa loyi tanihileswi mi nga swi twa kwalaha so na obviously loko hi kha hi languta okay in overall okay hi languta the whole idea about this video it looks like murangaphandle yi le ku supporting ka the idea yo Dr. Josh Sherman actually when they came back ku va yi la ku destroy Ben Mangan. I think that's the whole narrative if hi kha hi langutisa ku Ben Mangan is actually supporting this guy in terms of ku ri somehow ava la ku va ta n'wi destroy sweswiwa hi leswi hi nga swi langutisa swona because a ni loko ku team Sherman yi va kona loko swi ngombe stopos i hlamuserile na ku the main reason a ku fe ku lwa na rhangaphandla so yi koti nkarhi wa liya dokodela ku ta Mr. Post va kota ku kha ku luiwa and stuff like that so yeah and mi kuma na mahumelo ya kona la mi kuma ku a swi nga ndlangi kahle ku raboyi na the voice kun'wana so mi kuma ku a swi va swi nga basanga so so hi yo mhaka ya kona so swi clear guys swin'wana swa ha zi swa lava layitini next year beef ya vuya 26 minutes Dr. Josh Sherman va beefini sweswo a ka a hi swi leswi hi ngo swi lalayiti ha swi tiva hinkwenu everyone knows hinkwenu ha swi tiva so hi leswo guys hi leswo in the very key ka section ya Gagash very lo hi ngu linkaku tata J John so mi nga ma hleketa even previously update na nga fika yi kombisa ku Gagash na yena swi invite wini mhaka ya kona le ka Nkurhi exitupini i cheriwini ka line up na yena and tanihileswi mi swi tiva ku na yena a nga invitiwanga le Gale Stadium hi wun'wana the big boss to ti nga invitiwanga le Gale Stadium including the likes of Ben Mangan so i hlamuserile mhaka leyi wa ku ndleka yini hi side ra yena so hi twini ku i ri yini yena Gagash timhaka to va na yena a ya le ka Nkurhi le event leyi already yi nga controversial ku va la ku sabotage wa yena i J John swi vula ku ri ni already swo tala subscribe bana a ha tlheli ngopfu ndhaku a hi twini ku Gagash i rini la
in Fountains View, something like that. Go ala ya this coming Saturday. Friday in Tawandre Nkurhi Paradise. ndava ni ri na n'wina aka nkuri ni na n'wina ka nkuri ziya khala van'wani va ni kwatele ku hehe wayi Gagashi swi vula ku Gagashi na Benny va lwa na J John me va lo ni fonela ku va ni fonela va ku hi la ta ku nyika mali ni ku mi nga ni niki ni la ku hlupheka mi nga ni niki ni ala se ni fanele nkuri a nga ha endli tigigi ta yehe ku mani mi nga pfuki mi swi vonini sweswo mina I don't care. And Uptongue, if you want to survive, if you want to win, you must have competitors. You will survive. That's why you talk about boxing. Boxing is unnecessary. You want to boxing. It's a game. Well, a game. Game might be game. Ano phone la vakankuri ni ku ndzawini vakankuri a ni hlekete ku va lo ni fonela loko va ni fonela ni fanise ka mali loko vanhu swi ri vatu va nkoka wa mina loko ku ri na vanhu vakankuri lava la ku ta vona lama sweet va rhandzaka lama a ni tshama ni ya ka nkuri futhi lava va rhandzaka lama sweet va fanele va nga n'wi voni lama sweet hi mhaka ku somebody is doing something somewhere va ni tolovela n'wena I'm the people's favorite. And why? The reason why I keep on winning, I'm not what you think I am. And no matter when it comes to business, I don't take any nonsense because I need money. And I think money. Ano phone la vakankuri ni ku ndzawini vakankuri a ni hlekete ku va lo ni fonela loko va ni fonela ni fanise ka mali
as you've heard, ku yisa hi Gagashi ya le mhaka ya kona it's a complicated one, I have to say so. And from a business point of view, ku va ku ri competition no vula kahle hi side ra hala ka business point of view ni nga vula ku va ku ri competition hikuva a ni hala ku na event munhu u va khala ku tindlela mali and then wona na khe munhu a da a invite-wini ka yin'we ya ti-events ku hala so a ri hi zitweni it's business as long as swi nga fambisani hero na hi Benny Mayengani hi ku nga ri ti-events ta vona sweswo loko ku ri ku vulavuriwa it's better loko ku ri attack vunkuri not vanhu lava invite-waka because va nge fiki va tshika mali wa ri mhaka leyi ku before vo fana vo Blissboy va kona against them mara i tlha a invite-wa na la you see ma vona mhaka leyi i tlha a va a ri kona na la kwale exitopini at the same time na yona Dr Tajo Shirimani yi invite-wa hi Khalanga Productions yi tlhe yi invite-wa at the same time against stadium so as long as swi nga ri swa va vona ku ri swa n'winyi wa ndhawu ku ri loko na laha swi endlaka a hi problem sweswo ti-events ta ndliwa nkarhi wun'we musa a tlhela swi vona ku na multiple events hi siku rin'we artist yi ri ka tindhawu to hambanahambana hi siku rin'we around Giyani ka nkarhi ya sweswiwa so it's not much of a loko cheka for the guide ya Benny Mayengani ta fika hi kuma ku na masiku lama va ku na ti-events to hlaya swinene la hi siku rin'we so ndevhevele khe hetela hi Gagashi na the Twins mi nga ma hleketa against stadium a ku ri vutlakulani leyi ha tlakulelo a ri kona a tlakulela a ri kona so mi no hlamula ka Sint of course ra ti 17 December Gagashi a fika tsala ku amper ni view was izolo so va hlanganile Gagashi na the Twins kwala as you can see vafana look mpambi lowun'wana ya ba lowun'wana so a va ri swin'we as you can see kwala swi komba Gagashi a nga ri na problem na vona tanihi swi mi swi vonaka kwalana va ri swin'we loyi swi komba va tsakini swin'we like ni vone na video clip yin'wana laha kwale ka migiftana va ri kona and stuff like that hopa ka mi rhanga phanda mali va ri swin'we swi komba va tsakini kahle as you can see va ri swin'we kwala ni ku tlhela ni yisa ka section yin'we loko hi khiwa vona va kha va khavana kwala sure ya ka n'we section mi nga ta ku a ri ku fostereni the twin laha let's go ka another section swi ri kahle swinene As you can see, Moshome, Agiyo, you Minia Street. I had the chance. As you have seen, so I took a master car, just come back, Nagash, so I go look Magakas, who is at Ryan, and I want to see Ricardo. Make a bad gas and the twins and stuff like that. Look, I'm getting subscribe and comment, subscribe.
Sifana kutsandzeka sweswo hero nati yindlu a va tati jarata wa swi i nga endli yindlu nga ku hwendla molo yindlu munhu wa ntima loko va ku i na yindlu leyikulukumba hi loko ku ri 5 room se wehe i na 18 room ene a yi heli ene laya vatswari va ta fa i kha i chava na nsati a famba i sayini wexe ta chava no nghena la makula va ta nghena va boxetela va xavisa makipikipi i ngopfu na swi